Hello, I'm Prashanta Shutsudar from Bangladesh. I'm a university student. Growing up, I witnessed how limited access to education and technology can hold back brilliant minds. It inspired me to mentor young learners and promote digital literacy. The Youth Leadership Certification Program is what I exactly need to take this mission to the next level. Its focus on adaptive leadership and purpose-driven entrepreneurship, global collaboration will equip me with tools to design scalable solutions. I see this program not just as a personal growth, but as a service preparing for national service. With your support, I will bring back those global strategies and make Bangladesh future ready. Thank you.